This morning we will be pouring a sidewalk from here to there, and we will be pouring an extension to this patio about to where that clean out is right there. This job is for the famous drummer Dougie Fresh from the band Cold Shock, so we get to do some celebrity work today. That's nice. Number one operator showed up today. Got this one ready to pour. Sidewalk is ready to go. Got the patio poured. Sidewalk is poured. Now we just gotta make it pretty. The patio is finished except for a line I need to score right here. I'm gonna do that tomorrow, and I'm gonna fix up around that little box. And the sidewalk is finished, and that's a wrap.